Back down. Let me take point with the rifle. Hey, on the right hand side. Hey, she's bleeding. She's bleeding.
Hold up. I got her.
Officers assigned to North Hollywood Division responded to a radio call of an assault with a deadly weapon in progress at a business in the 12,100 block of Victory Boulevard. While en route to the location, the officers received multiple radio calls from the same location that there was a possible shooting in progress and there were individuals sheltering in place. Here are several 911 calls and radio broadcasts from this incident.
Evacuate! Let's go! Everybody out!
420 with CHP with the transfer.
Evacuate the building, everybody! Evacuate the building!
What's the emergency?
I had a hostile customer in my store attacking customers.
Okay.
12121 Victory Way.
Okay, ma'am, is it a male or female? Ma'am.
He's breaking things.
Ma'am, hello, I need you to listen to me so I can send some help. Yeah. Is it a male or a female?
Male.
What's the name of your store?
Burlington.
Where in the store is he?
Attention customers, evacuate.
Ma'am, I need you to answer my question so we can send the police. Okay. Where? On the second floor. Okay. Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Hispanic.
What color clothing is he wearing?
He's wearing a white cap. Dude, hold the door. Colorful jacket. He's walking around the store looking for people.
Okay. Does he have?
Evacuate the building.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey!
Ma'am, I need you to only answer the question so that way we can get an officer out there. What color pants is he wearing?
Jeans.
Okay, does he have any weapons?
Evacuate! Huh?
Does he have any weapons?
Get out! He's using his bike. He's using one of those bike locks.
To hit people?
Evacuate! Get out! His purse receiving.
Okay, ma'am, he's using a bike lock to hit people?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. No knives or guns, correct? No knives or guns. Okay. I just need to make sure, ma'am. I have to ask, okay? Is he under the influence of any alcohol or narcotics as far as you know?
Yeah, most likely, yes.
What's your name? And your phone number? Okay. And is anyone hurt? Does anyone need an ambulance to get out there?
Run! No one's hurt right now that I know of.
All right, we'll have an officer.
Where is he?
We're going to have an officer respond over as soon as possible, okay? If anything changes, anyone needs an ambulance, he grabs any other weapons or anything, give us a call back, okay? Are you outside of the store now?
Huh?
Are you outside of the store now?
No, we're
you're
locked in the office.
Okay.
We locked ourselves into the office, and the rest of them exited to the emergency doors.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna stay on the line with you until the police get there. Okay. One moment.
The crazy guy is going crazy.
And the emergency exits in the front or in the back?
There's like 2-3 emergency exits.
Okay.
One in the front, 2 in the back.
Okay. One moment.
Okay, close the door. Yeah. No, yeah. I don't know if he's still in the building.
77 units in 12X5A, 12X5B,
okay.
and the suspect there now, 12121 Victory Boulevard, 12121 Victory Boulevard, the Burlington.
Dude, where are you?
On the second floor, the suspect's a male Hispanic wearing a multicolored jacket.
Do not come in the building, okay?
To assault customers
Just, can you do me a favor and gather those suspects that are outside the into the emergency?
It's code 31582 and RD 1524.
LA City 911, operator 514.
Hi, yes, can you send a unit to Burlington and North Hollywood, please? There's a guy with a gun.
You're where, Burlington and what?
North Hollywood, please. Cold water and
I need give me an address, ma'am. I don't know where you are.
I don't know the address. It's Victory and Cold Water, the Burlington and North Hollywood.
You're giving me too many. Is there anybody there that knows the address where you are?
What is the number, the address here? 12? Oh my gosh. We don't know the address.
Where are you?
in North Hollywood.
I know that, but North Hollywood is big. Where? What street are you on? Is this a business or a residence?
Victory Boulevard and Laurel Canyon.
Okay, are you inside of a residence or inside of a business? Where are you?
It's a business. It's a
What's the name of
Burlington store.
It's a Burlington store?
Yes.
Okay, and the person that has the gun, where are they right now?
They are inside and everybody's running away, evacuating the building.
Okay, the guy that has the gun, is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
We don't know, miss. It's just shot.
So he shot the gun?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Everybody
Don't hang up,
evacuated.
ma'am. Don't hang up, okay? You're not gonna hear me, but I can hear you. I'm gonna be talking to the officers, okay?
Okay, thank you. I'm already calling the police.
Rooms on the second floor. These have to smell and smelling multicolored jacket, white shirt, and changes anything to assault the customers with a bike lock. Please either 1582 or either 224.
North Hollywood units, ambulance, correction, shooting just occurred.
My police is coming.
Victory Boulevard and Laurel Canyon, Victory Boulevard and Laurel Canyon at the Burlington Coat Factory. Stand by for addition of code 3 incident 1586.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I'm calling because my mother is inside Burlington on Victory and Laurel Canyon, and I didn't get a chance to talk to her, but she told me that they're hiding behind the store because there's a man. I'm not sure if he has a gun, but I think he's making threats inside the store, and I was just calling in case no one else has called yet.
And where was it at?
It's Burlington on Victory, and I believe it's Laurel Canyon.
Did she give you any type of description?
No, she just called me and said that her and my little sister are hiding because there's a man in the store. I don't know if he has a gun or I don't know what he has, but they're hiding. So I'm assuming they're making threats. I don't know.
Do you have any description of the man?
No, I didn't talk to her. She just called me and yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is.
And your phone number?
Oh, I think the police is on its way, actually.
Okay. All right, I'll send the officers over there and I'll let them know.
I see one right now.
Okay. All right, I'll let them know.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I was just calling to double check. Thank you.
North Hollywood is additional on your ADW shooting, Victory and Laurel Canyon. Suspect is still inside the location. Advised there are customers and employees hiding inside the location. Unknown suspect, description at this time. Still code 3 incident 1586 or 1524.
North Hollywood Unit 10, 15X66, 15X66, shooting just occurred, Victory and Laurel Canyon, code 3 incident 1586 or D1524.
Closed-circuit television video captured the suspect prior to the officer's arrival. In review of the video, it appears the suspect attacked several people. The suspect entered the store with his bicycle at around 11 a.m. and took the escalator up to the second floor. He laid his bike in an aisle and walked around the store putting on clothes. A store employee made contact with the suspect about his bike. The employee left the area, and the suspect smashed a computer monitor nearby. He then moved on to hit the glass railing. Next, he took the escalator down and encountered another female. He attempted to take her bag, and as the female resisted, the suspect tackled her and hit her with the lock. That female was able to break away and run out of the store. She was not identified. The suspect waited as another female came down the escalator. He attempted to grab her, but she was able to break free and run out of the store. The suspect then went back up to the second floor, to the area by the dressing room, where he observed a third female pushing a shopping cart. The suspect approached that female from behind and struck her over the head with the bike lock. That female crawled away, and the suspect grabbed her and dragged her near the dressing room and continued to beat her with the lock. Here's surveillance footage of the suspect's actions prior to the officer's arrival.